I bet you didn't know that one of the most common car headaches is just a simple button not working. Why are there not more people talking about push-button start problems? Let's make sure a dead button doesn't ruin your day. First, the basics. Is your foot firmly on the brake pedal? Most push-button starts won't work unless you're pressing the brake. Next, check your key fob. If the battery inside is dead, your CRV won't recognize it. Try holding the fob closer to the start button, or use the physical key hidden inside the fob to unlock the door. If the key fob seems fine, look at the dashboard. Any warning lights? Sometimes the car won't start because the battery is weak or dead. If the lights are dim, you might need a jump start. Still nothing? Double check that your gear shift is in park. The car won't start in any other gear. Sometimes there's just a sticky brake switch or a loose connection, and giving things a gentle wiggle can help. If you've tried all these steps and your CRV still won't start, it might be time to call a mechanic. But most of the time, it's something simple. Don't stress. Now you know what to check first.